Today, when I was trying to buy batteries at the 99-cent store, it said scan your phone and receive a free gift. And so I scanned it, and I added the app, and you can see I was trying to get some batteries. Let's see if it'll cycle again. Said download the app and get a free reward. So I downloaded the app, and I didn't see anything about a free reward. It's kind of confusing. But when I did go down over here at the very bottom, I think if you click on that to your wallet, it should have some type of reward that you can use. The coupon that they had for me was spend $21 and get $4 off. And so it might be, you might be able to find some deals using the 99-cent rewards app or 99-cent app or whatever you call it. So just, you can look at the deals that are available here, and if there's a coupon, it's the bottom of your app. I don't know why they don't say like coupons or something. But that little thing on the bottom, I think, is a coupon. So this 99-cent app, they should, because all the other ones have labels. I'm not sure why the one that's the deal or the coupon doesn't have text. It just would make sense. But actually, it says it's your wallet. So maybe if you go into Discover and you click on something. So that was the hard part. I was trying to find out where my reward was. So it says, where can I find rewards available to me? And it says, scroll to the Discover page, deals reward, tap on the wallet icon. So they just said, that's it. It's a little confusing. So at least I was able to use a coupon that saved me $4. I was hoping just to spend $1 and get $1 free or something, but because that's what it said on the ad over here, but it was a little more complicated than I thought it'd be. Glad I didn't have to talk to anyone.